Hello everyone, this is Veronica with V's Crafty Corner. Today we're going to make an ornament out of vellum, and I got this vellum at Staples. You could find some at Hobby Lobby, and I'm using my EK tools to cut a circle out. I'm going to cut a 4-inch in diameter circle, and you're going to need 4, and all you'll need is 1 sheet of vellum. I'm gonna get out my cutting mat. I don't like to use this black one. Don't want to mess it up since I use it for videos. So I'm going to use my ugly one. So excuse the ugly cutting mat. And I got this at Joann's. It's a Fiskars cutting mat and it's only 4 inches. So we're going to use 4 inches, and here is the cutter. So I'm going to find 4 inches and cut. So here it is right here, just 4 inches. It's a 4-inch circle. And if you see any frayed edges, the EK tool sometimes does that. Just cut them off with your scissors and all is well. So we're going to need this stamp set by Inkadinkadoo. I got this at Michael's, and I'm going to use 3 stamps just because it's going to cover the whole circle. If you don't have a stamp press, you could just use a block, a stamp block, and just do it one by one, but I'm going to use this. And we're going to cover the circle in this embossing powder. Well, it's really, yeah, embossing powder. It's for resist. So just pat that on the vellum. And get your stamp press and get your Versamark and ink the stamp. So just be generous with this because we're going to use embossing powder. And press. And just go over it with your fingers. Make sure the vellum sticks onto the vellum. Make sure the Versamark sticks onto the vellum. And so there it is. I'm going to get a scratch sheet of paper so I can put some embossing powder, and this is the color Snow. It's really white, very bright white. And just cover your vellum in this embossing powder. You'll get some on your fingers, that's okay. So, oh, looks like I got some of the powder. Oh, it came off good. Okay. So there were some blotches on, not on the Versamark. So this is what it's going to look like, and we're going to heat emboss this. And I have my tool here. I went ahead and heat embossed it, and it's all done now. And so all we're going to do is we're going to fold this in half, and I would make this the top since it's missing some heat embossing. So you're going to flip it over, and actually the design should be in the inside, so just go ahead and fold it in half. And so you're going to do that for all 4 of your circles, and I already did that. So here they are. So here's all 4 circles, and we're going to glue them together to make a circle ornament. And before we do that, we're going to glue some rhinestones. And I got this idea from a home interior channel. She was showing an ornament, or was it her tree? I think it was her tree. She was showing her tree, and there was an ornament on her tree that I was like, ooh, I could recreate that. And it looked really nice. So I'm just picking out my rhinestones that I want, and I'm just getting different sizes, and we're gonna place them wherever you'd like. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with my heat gun, and I will do one on camera and the others off camera. So all you do is just put some glue down on the rhinestone and just add it to your vellum. And I'm choosing places where the embossing is at, just so that the glue doesn't show on the other side of the vellum, because vellum, of course, is semi-clear and it'll show on the other side. So that's what it looks like, and I'm going to do that to all 4 circles. Okay, this is what they look like. Right there. So I did all 4, and now we're going to glue the string to it first. And this is stretchy cord. It's silver. I got this at Joann's, I believe. And you're going to need about 4 inches. Yes, 4 inches. And we are going to glue that to the top. Like so. I'm going to use some hot glue for this. I'm using my silicone flour so I don't get burnt. Okay. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And to glue all these together, I'm going to use this Elmer's glue spray adhesive. Got this at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to use a box to spray this because I'm indoors and I don't want it to get all over the place. I'm gonna spray it in this box, and I'll do one on camera so you can see how it's done. And we're using the spray adhesive. This stuff gets everywhere. Okay, so that's it right there. Grab this. And we are going to attach it to one of these. Okay, So that's it right there. I'm going to glue this piece and then attach it on top. So I have it glued, and now we're going to attach it to the top. Oh, it should look like this. And there's our ornament, all done. I'll leave a picture at the end so you can see it on a tree maybe, or just hanging somewhere. So easy to make. And I will include the home interior video that I was inspired by. Her name is Katie, and she does amazing videos. If you want to watch her, her link will be below, and I will also include the picture of the ornament that she videotaped. So this is the ornament, and thank you for watching. Thanks for spending time with me, and until next time, you guys. Bye.